Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
A prepper stash is a hidden cache containing weapons, crafting parts, money, and NPC notes. It's one of the best ways to stock up early. These stashes are not initially visible on your map until you discover a map piece, letter, or tangible clue that unlocks the location. You'll often find those clues tucked inside dead drops, inside cabins, beneath wrecked vehicles, or on bodies near roadside landmarks. Treat every envelope and file as a possible map piece, and tag it on your map immediately. When you collect a prepper map piece or envelope, the game instantly reveals the stash marker on your in-game map, usually as a green crate icon. This is the trigger that turns a hidden cache into a visible objective. Open the map and set a waypoint so the HUD displays the distance in meters and a direction arrow. That keeps you oriented while you travel. If you cannot find the piece, systematically clear nearby cabins, outposts, and wrecks because those locations commonly hold the letters and map fragments that unlock stashes. Travel to the waypoint, and once you are within about 50 meters, begin a methodical search for disturbed ground, a pile of rocks, a small shack, a tree stump, or a weathered barrel. Prepper caches are often disguised in plain sight. Climb to high ground and use binoculars to look for glints, roof access, or odd landmark geometry that aligns with the waypoint. Tagging nearby features helps narrow a 50-meter search radius quickly. When you find the cache, open it to collect weapons, crafting parts, cash, and occasionally a unique letter or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.